today?
Today is 10 of June 2021. This is the ear cleaning for the 1.5 years old female growth hamster.
Okay, this video starts with the anesthesia, the anesthetic machine. My assistant will take out the hamster and put it inside a see-through container so that we can give him some gas. Otherwise, it's very hard to clean the ears because he will bite and he may get stressed out. Okay, so here we are. So we'll do with anesthetic gas at 5%. Now normally it takes about 2 or 3 minutes. You have the clock there. It's 4:03. It's about 5%, and I